What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new motorized bike video. Well, this video is kind of sad. I think I blew up my motor. So let me give you a little backstory. So I was literally just taking a little test ride, making sure everything's all right on this bike and whatever. And so like I was probably at like 25% throttle, whatever, just coasting down like a small hill, and I literally started losing power. So I'm like, whoa, is my carburetor starting to act up or something like that? So I gave it a little bit more throttle and nothing. It just completely died. Holding the clutch, try to rev it up just a little bit, completely died again. So I'm like, huh. And then also keep in mind, like I was wearing shorts as well. So like I felt like a little bit of water. So I was like, okay, wait, did my engine overheat or something like that, and the water just boiled up? And then so it just went through, because I felt water through this nozzle, the what is it, the temperature, or the thermostat, whatever. And so I took it home, pretty much pedal home. Not really pedal, because I don't have pedals, as you can see. So I just pretty much just kicked all the way home, coasted down like the hill or whatever. And first thing I did was, okay, let me check the carb to make sure it has gas. It had gas. It's full on gas. It's not backing up or anything like that. It's flowing fine. So I try to run the bike. It doesn't start. So I'm like, huh. Next thing I did was check the CDI, the spark plug, make sure it's plugged in all the way. It was. That wasn't the issue. Then I tried another CDI, wasn't the issue again. So I was like, okay, let me check the spark plug. So I took the spark plug out, and the spark plug was sort of oily / watery. I didn't really think nothing of it. I thought I was just running rich, which I am running rich. I'm waiting on a new set of jets and whatnot to fine tune the bike a little bit more. So wipe the spark plug off. It doesn't, it looks totally fine. I'll show it to you in a second. It looks totally fine. Then put it back in, put the split CDI on, the new CDI. Try riding the bike, didn't start. So I'm like, huh, it sounds like I don't have fuel or something like that. Because you can kind of hear the difference when you plug out the spark plug or plug out the CDI. You can hear the difference. So I made sure my wires were straight. That wasn't an issue. And holding this camera up is kind of hard. That wasn't the issue. So I took the spark plug out again, and I wanted to look down the cylinder. So as soon as I took the spark plug out, it was wet, and I'm like, why is it wet? And I literally just went from right there to right there, literally just try to start it, and it's wet again. So I look like a little bit more into the spark plug, and I was like, this is water, what the hell? And so immediately right after, I looked down the cylinder and I saw water on the piston, and I was like, are you serious? I blew like a seal or something like that. So then I checked the radiator, and the radiator was low. So let me go ahead and keep in mind, I let the bike sit for a little bit, but the spark plug is completely fine. All right, this is the spark plug. Give y'all a close look at that. Hopefully the camera's focusing. Spark plug looks brand new. It is brand new, pretty much. So, but let's go ahead and set this to the side. That's the spark plug. Come over here to the radiator. Let's take the cap off. It's a tight fit. I made sure I put it all the way up to the top. But as you can see, I'm not even sure if you can see that, but it has coolant, but it's low. I filled it all the way up to the top. So pretty much in this video, we're going to do a motor teardown. So I'm just going to tear down the head of the motor, and we're going to check if it's any more water in the cylinder. We're going to drain out the coolant just enough. I'm going to keep the coolant in the radiator or drain out a little bit, and then just take off these hoses and then pop this off and then see what's up. Take the pump off, the belt. But yeah, I'm gonna walk out through this process because first I'm taking this motor apart. So we're gonna take it apart, clean it out, make sure everything's still good, because it's fine. One thing I do want to know, when I had the clutch released and I tried pushing the bike by hand, it seemed a little bit too free, like the clutch was being held, which that wasn't the case. So yeah, I think it's just water just freeing it up. It's just too lubricated. Yeah, let's see. And one thing, I had a big question too. Let me know if I should continue these videos of me doing build breakdowns or just riding videos, or just keep them a mix on my channel. I know that the views are there, the likes are there, and the support is there because like this is sort of a new hobby to most people. So these motors are super simple to work on, especially the stock ones. Once you go over, I don't know, like 6 horsepower or something like that, when these motors, it starts to get like kind of like annoying. Yeah, so yeah, let me know in the comments. Just let me know if I should continue these videos. Yeah, that's low. This should have been like poured out a little bit more. I need to actually make a bike stand. All right. Main thing is I want to get this coolant radiator. That way I can kind of sort of drain this all out. Yeah, this is full. Undo this a little bit more. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna try to do this. Oh, yo, look at all this water that just came out of the exhaust. Pay attention to the exhaust. Yo, that's just straight water. That's insane. We're gonna push it back in the corner. Right here. I was gonna wear gloves. Now I'm done with coolant and water. I'm not gonna wear gloves. I really should though. Alright, we're gonna take this out. We're just gonna stick this down here right now. Get out of the way. Alright, so now main focus is to, what's the best way I can do this? So this should be empty, but it should be still coolant in that. I don't want anything going down the spark plug, even though the whole motor probably has water in it. Trying to free it up a little bit. All right, now this is completely empty. Check this out. This is stupid. So I had an extension on here, which I already had the extension on this, and which I was too lazy, so I just kept it on there. No, that's just the absolute like laziness right there. See, I don't need an extension. Why do I keep trying to put one on there? Up. Size. God damn it. How do you exactly open this? I'm probably opening this up the wrong way. I never actually opened this before. What if I come from this bolt? There we go. It's free. Alright. Yeah, it looks like there was nothing right here to seal this part. Hey guys, yeah, it was something here, but that completely burst out. Look, the cylinder looks fine. That's fine. Let's see if I can drain this out a little bit. Now, honestly, guys, I'm not even mad about this either. Like, I'm upset, don't get me wrong, but I'm not furious. Shit happens. I just simply just gotta, I just do that in there, whatever. I just simply, shit happens, yo. Mechanical failures, yo. Now, the question is, how can we prevent this from happening ever again? Yeah, the cylinder looks fine. Let's release the clutch. Like, I don't want to take the whole entire thing apart, but since I have it open, I should. All right, so I'm just gonna take a razor blade, try to clean that stuff up. All right, so you saw what I saw. It looks like the gasket, whatever, it just lost, it just broke on one part, and then because the pump is pumping the coolant around, and it just pretty much just got, it just pushed in and just went into the cylinder. So it looks fine. So I'm gonna try to clean out this as best as I can, and then go to AutoZone or something and get some more. Alright, I'm back. I got some RTV, the gray RTV stuff. High torque gasket. Okay. Yo, I like you never washed your car before.
One of them a little bit.
I gotta let you know because the other one's acting up too. They both was acting up on the same day. It's what is it doing? It's not starting. It's not staying on. I had to replace the whole gasket because water was in the engine. Yeah. You sounded like it's that easy. Yeah, and I did. But I gotta wait till it's sealed. Alright, so as you just saw, I got the motor or the head sealed back down and put the gasket around there. And as you saw, I used a lot of the gasket maker because I don't want it to come loose again. Say for instance I'm somewhere far and I have the same issue happen. But I'll wait till this dry. I gotta wait like 24 hours or something. I'll probably give it like until my new inlet comes in, because I want to change this to 1.5 instead of 3/8. So once that comes, then I'll change that. And then also I need a temperature gauge, so I'll let that seal properly. I'm not gonna rush it. Yeah, and I'll finish the bike up and let y'all know. But that's gonna do it for this video. If you do like what you saw, go ahead and comment if you want to see me do more of these videos. And also don't forget to subscribe and like the videos too. All right, peace.
Perfect.